Starting.
Air blades.
Sige, maintain. Release. Release na.
Mahina na yung battery natin. Gusto ko malakas ang boses.
Ano po?
Kala ko nag-uusap na ba sila?
Fuel shut-off valve is on. Cyclic and collective friction is off.
Mahina.
Cyclic collective and pedals. Full travel free. Starting with the pedals. Collective brake response to the right. Response to the left.
Huwag masyadong masipa sa pedals. Dahan-dahan lang. Maliit ang tail rotor natin. Sipahin mo nga. Gradual lang ha. Huwag masyadong maano.
Friction is back on. Rotor brake is disengaged. Circuit breakers are all in. Carb heat is off. Make sure full rich. Make sure guard is installed. Landing switches light is off. Avionics switch is off, is installed. Clutch is disengaged. Altimeter is set. Level. Hydraulic and governor switches are hydraulic switch is on, governor switch is on standby. Okay. Starting engine and run up checklist. Throttle twist for priming. I'll give it 1, 2, and 3. Throttle is fully closed. Ground idle. Battery is on. Clear?
Clear.
Blades clear.
Clear. And ignition.
Sinabi ko, tagal ng ignition. Mahina yung battery.
3.9 volts. Right, left, both. Starting.
Air blades.
Sige, maintain. Release. Release na.
Mahina na yung battery natin.
RPM to 50 to 60.
Tinatawag ko yun. Wala na yan.
Ano yan? Tight valve. Set engine RPM to 50 to 60.
Hindi nakasaksak. Pag nasa laot, pag-start, kasama mo na yan. Dapat nakasaksak na siya para marka na yung battery. Pero sa ngayon, okay lang kasi makukonsume siya ng battery.
Okay po.
Kaya malagi ko nag-charge lalo na sa lipad. Baka malobat tayo, wala tayong pabalik na